What are the best barrel heaters? We tend to find there's 3 different types that people use. You have the barrel blanket, the barrel bands, and then the hot plates, which go below the barrel. The one that we find that our customers are buying the most of is the barrel blanket, primarily for the reason it heats material evenly and consistently through the barrel to where you don't have to recirculate open cell as much. The hot plates and the barrel bands have more focused heating to where it heats one area, and if you're using a closed cell or you can't recirculate, that one area warms up where the rest of the barrel will take considerably longer to heat. The barrel blankets also have many options where you can buy set points of 80, 90 to 100. Also have adjustable barrel blankets to where you can adjust depending on what material you're spraying. Some good habits for preventative maintenance would be to have a maintenance schedule for your gun and your reactors, say as checking the Y strainers and the TSL liquid weekly, greasing your gun every day, flushing it with cleaner at the end of the week so it doesn't sit in the gun over the weekend. Periodically, cleaning up the inside of your reactor, blowing out dust and particles that are in there. It's just like a normal computer, so dust and dirt and stuff we gather on a job site every day affects it just like it would a normal computer, because they are pretty much computers nowadays to where there's so much technology in there. Cleaning them like a normal computer is part of the preventative maintenance schedule to make sure it's running good and everything else. And staying organized is also an important part. If your rig's clean and organized and easy to get in and get out of, it's easier to work on, as to where a rig that's not kept up and organized on a weekly basis is harder to work in. There's more problems, more mess. It's harder to do a good job when your office isn't organized, and our rigs are our office, so if they're not organized, it's hard to do your job.